mediator at times can be hugely demanding, especially if we are supporting people with mental health concerns or that are in crisis, as we discussed in the last 2 videos. In this final video, I'll share a few tips to help you maintain your mediator's spark. So the S in spark stands for self-awareness. It's crucial to regularly check in with yourself. How are you feeling mentally and emotionally? Are you bringing any stress into the mediation room? Recognize when you're feeling off balance and take steps to recalibrate, whether through talking to a friend or a fellow mediator, which I do often, through mindfulness, journaling or reflective practice, or simply taking a few deep breaths before a session. The P in spark is about physical well-being. Mediation can be mentally exhausting, so keeping your body in check is important too. This means getting enough sleep, eating well, and staying active. Don't underestimate the power of a short walk or a quick stretch between sessions to keep your energy levels up. And away from the mediator space, find physical activities that help clear your mind. The A in spark stands for assessing and managing the process. This is all about knowing your limits and the limits of the process. Regularly evaluate whether the mediation is progressing in a healthy way. If you sense that things are going off track or that a party's well-being is at risk, don't hesitate to pause, reassess, or even bring in additional support, as we discussed in the last 2 videos. Our next letter is R, and this stands for resourcing professional development. Staying sharp and well-informed is key to sustaining your well-being in this field. Engage in regular training, attend workshops, and seek out supervision. Not only does this enhance your skills, but it also helps you stay confident and competent in your role. For example, after watching these 3 videos, you may wish to broaden your knowledge of mental health through a mental health awareness course or even the mental health first aid program. Last but not least, in Spark, we have K for keeping boundaries. Now, this is the area that I struggle with most as a mediator. It is so easy to get emotionally invested in the cases you mediate, but it's vital to set clear boundaries. Professionally, these include understanding where your line is in terms of how many mediations you may do a week or a month, the types of cases you do, and how available you will be to parties before, during, and after. Take time also to consider your personal boundaries. This may include how you manage your work-life balance, protecting your own emotional energy, i.e. saying no, something I'm really not great at, and how you communicate your needs to others. Knowing when to step back, disconnect, and take time for yourself is really important in terms of managing your well-being and managing your boundaries. This ensures you don't burn out and can continue to offer the support your clients need. So remember to spark your well-being. Stay self-aware, take care of your physical health, assess and manage your process, resource your development, and keep your boundaries strong. By doing so, you'll stay energized and effective in your role as a mediator. The information contained in these videos is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. It is for information and educational purposes only.